In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix videos on TikTok not showing up. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Head over to your profile. Now, in here, go ahead and click on the likes section. Supposedly, you'll find all of your liked videos in this area. Now, if you don't find all of your liked videos in this area, what you can do is to go ahead and head over to the app info. Click on the I button. Now go ahead and uninstall TikTok on your device and reinstall it all over again, since this issue can be due to a bug that your app is experiencing. Now, if this doesn't work out for you, what you can do is to go ahead and open your browser. Now go ahead and search if TikTok is currently down, if the server of TikTok is currently down, to check if it's a device problem or a TikTok bug. Click on this down detector. Now, if you can see a spike in here, this means that during that time, TikTok was down, which caused some of your likes not being viewed on the like section of your profile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.